is Mina, and since board games aren't being exactly delivered to your house anymore, you probably will get bored of the ones you have. So you can make your own board game with the rules you choose and play it with your family. Like the game I made. I'm super into lemurs right now, so I made it a game called Lemur Up. And so first you could make like the board like I did, and then color it with crayons. Then you could make the cards on the sheet of paper. You don't need to make more than one sheet, and you just need to do the card line, because you could always, if you have a printer or a copier, you take this, put it in the copier, make as many copies as you need, and then cut them all at the same time. And then you got a perfectly good board game. And then you could basically just write the name of the game on the back of each card, the back of the board. So it's easiest if you do it like me, where the cards aren't cut out yet, and you want the name on the back. Put the piece of paper on here so you can see where the card ends, and you can write it like this. And write the name of the game inside the lines of the cards, because otherwise you're cutting off half of the name. And then you could basically make the little characters for it. These are supposed to be lemurs, but they don't really look like them. I cut the ear too short.